Exploring the flavor of language. Rich Taste Unveiled. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to place for all English language enthusiasts looking to add flavor to their vocabulary. Today, we're going to dive into a deliciously descriptive phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Rich taste. This phrase is not just about food. It's a part of a language that can add depth and zest to your conversations. So, let's get started and savor every bit of today's topic. When we describe something as having a rich taste, we're not talking about wealth. In the culinary world, rich refers to a strong, full, and often luxurious flavor. It's that decadent chocolate cake that melts in your mouth or the creamy pasta sauce that's full of cheese and butter. But rich taste doesn't just apply to food. It can also describe experiences and artworks that are profound and full of layers. Rich taste can be applied metaphorically, too. When we say a book has a rich taste, we mean that it has depth, complexity, and provides a satisfying intellectual nourishment. A movie with a rich taste leaves you thinking about it for days. In essence, when rich taste is used figuratively, it's about the quality of an experience that feels luxurious and abundant in substance or quality. Now, let's practice how to incorporate this flavorful phrase into your everyday language. You can say, "The new coffee blend at the cafe has a rich taste that I love," or "The tapestry in the museum had a rich taste of historical significance." Remember, the context can be as varied as the richness of the taste itself. It's also worth noting that rich taste can carry certain cultural connotations. In some societies, having a rich taste in fashion or interior design might imply that someone prefers opulent and luxurious styles. But be cautious, as having a rich taste can sometimes be seen as a negative, suggesting excess or overindulgence. And there you have it, folks. A closer look at the phrase, rich taste, and how it can add a dash of sophistication to your conversations. Whether you're discussing your latest culinary adventure or the new book you're reading, remember that a rich taste can mean more than just a strong flavor. It's a way to express the layered complexity of an experience. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and that you'll continue to explore the rich tastes of the English language. Until next time, keep tasting the richness of life and language.